It's a flicker, a strobe light of green and red. You're staring at the corner of your screen, watching the numbers climb and fall, climb and fall. 400, 700, 900. Suddenly, you aren't looking at the candles anymore. You aren't looking at the displacement or the liquidity sweep. You've been hypnotized. You're under the spell of the P&L hypnosis. The moment you switch your display from points to dollars, you stop being a technician. You start being a consumer. That $900, it isn't just data anymore. In your mind, it's a new laptop. It's a weekend trip. It's a bill you've been meaning to pay. Now you aren't trading the market, you're trading your lifestyle. When the price ticks against you, and that 900 drops to 600, you don't see a change in market structure. You see $300 being stolen from you. You feel the physical pain of loss for money you never even realized. This is where the mistakes happen. You hold too long because you're waiting for the number to hit around 1,000. Or you cut a perfect trade early because you're terrified of seeing that dollar amount turn red. You're trading out of fear and greed because you've attached your survival to a flickering digit. Professional traders know how to break the trance. They trade in units, in R multiples, in ticks. They treat the money like points in a simulation because the moment the money feels real, your lizard brain takes the wheel. And the lizard brain was never designed to handle a 3 standard deviation move on the NQ. Kill the display. Hide the dollar sign. Return to the geometry of the chart. If you manage the trade correctly, the money will take care of itself. Stay objective. Stay dashahit. And survive the next candle. If you've ever let a winning trade turn into a loser because you were staring at the P&L, hit that subscribe button. Why does this happen? Because your brain doesn't see a digit. It sees safety, or it sees threat. When you trade in dollars, every tick against you is a physical withdrawal from your future. Your amygdala, the lizard brain, can't tell the difference between a predator in the woods and a red number on a screen. It reacts the same way. Fight or flight. In fight mode, you move your stop loss because you refuse to let the market steal that $500. In flight mode, you cut a winning trade at $200 because you're terrified the market will take back what it gave you. In both scenarios, you've stopped trading the chart. You're trading your own nervous system. The P&L hypnosis turns a professional analyst into a panicked prey animal. To the market, you aren't a trader. You're just liquidity waiting to be harvested. The only way out is to disconnect the money from the move. You have to learn to love the process more than the profit, because the process is the only thing you can actually control. It's time to snap out of the trance. Tonight, I want you to go into your platform settings. Look for the display toggle. Switch it to ticks, switch it to points. Or better yet, cover that corner of your monitor with a piece of black tape. Do it for 1 week. Trade the setup, not the bank account. Watch how your execution sharpens when the fear of theft is removed from the equation. If you're ready to stop being a slave to the flickering digit and start being a master of the price action, then you belong here. Hit that subscribe button and join the market survival fortress. We don't chase paper, we hunt edges. Leave a comment below with the word points if you're committing to hiding your P&L tomorrow. Let the gamblers watch the dollars. We're going to watch the tape. Protect your capital. Break the hypnosis. I'll see you in the next one.